ہاؤس میں آ جائیں گے سارے میڈیا. تھینک یو جناب اسپیکر.
جی شازیہ مری صاحبہ آپ قرارداد پیش کریں.
سر آپ کی اجازت ہو تو this house strongly condemns the brutal killing of a senior journalist anchor person Arshad Sharif in Kenya, demands that a fair and transparent investigation be conducted to ascertain facts behind this brutal killing, extends deepest condolences to the family and media community at this tragic time, and prays that may Allah rest his departed soul in eternal peace in Jannah. Thank you, sir.
Now I put the resolution to the House. All those in favor of the resolution may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think the ayes have it and the resolution is passed unanimously. Janab Agha Rafiullah Saab.